1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Most individuals and families are not prepared for disasters. Preparedness Awareness Weekend can change that. Preparedness Awareness Weekend provides families with step-by-step methods to prepare and become resilient in any kind of disaster. The program will allow families to put together emergency kits for infants through adults, including individuals with access and functional needs, pets that are also part of family. Community partners are a part of this event to help us raise community resiliency in Fairfax County for any type of disaster. Activities include hands-on CPR,
Dominant hand in front, non-dominant hand on top, grasp.
disaster cooking demo, helping families develop their emergency kits and plans, car seat checks.
We make sure that it's properly seated in the chair. We make sure that it doesn't move any further than 1 inch in the seat.
Preparedness comes down to 3 simple things. Make a plan, have a kit, stay informed.
It was awesome. I loved every part of it. And it was so cool seeing all those firemen, sheriff, and policemen.